Hello guys, welcome back to Random Tech YouTube channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to shout out happy birthday on Instagram story. So guys, before starting the videos, I would like to request each and everyone to please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you will get the more informative videos every day. So without wasting time, let's go to this Instagram, and also don't forget to update your Instagram from Google Play Store or App Store. So guys, here you can see here, this is my Instagram. So what you have to do here, it's very pretty simple. You just need to click on the uh, top left of your screen, this camera icon, and then after clicking to this camera icon, what you have to do, you just simply click on this. You can see here, I will show you. You can see here create option, so just you need to click on create option. Okay, so after clicking to this create option, you can just you can just change the color of this create option. Let me just select okay, this. So now if you want to shout out, give a shout out to your friend or someone for for her or his happy birthday, then what you need to do, you simply need to click on this next option here. So and make sure your Instagram has been updated. So just click here, and after clicking here, you can see here you have to just type the name like okay, you can see here tag random. So now here, if you wanna put some emojis, stickers, then you can just put here like this. And also like if you wanna write anything, you can write happy. It's very pretty cool. And then you just need to click on this option. You can see here send to option. Just click on send to option and share it. So now guys, after sharing, you what let's go check it out once again here. Sorry, you can see here, this is the one. So let me go into that account. Okay, so let me just go into that account, and then here you can see here I will find an message. You can see here mention you. You can see here you will find this message. So it's pretty cool. I hope you like this video, and also don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and see you soon on the next video.